Welcome to the digital frontier. Today, we're diving into the world of AI automation tools, perfect for those just starting out. Let's break down the top tools that can transform your marketing strategy. First up, HubSpot, a one-stop shop for marketing automation. It helps you manage email campaigns, social media, posts, and customer relationship management with ease. Its main feature is the ability to create personalized customer journeys. Next, Hootsuite, the social media maestro. Schedule posts, track engagement, and analyze results across multiple platforms. Its dashboard is a command center for all your social media channels. Then, Google Analytics, the data detective. It gives you insights into website traffic, user behavior, and conversion data. This tool is essential for understanding the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Each tool offers unique benefits like time-saving automation, data-driven decision-making, and enhanced customer experiences. To get started, sign up for their free versions, explore their resources, and begin with basic tasks like scheduling posts or tracking website visits. And don't forget, for those looking to earn quickly, check out Instant Done for You Monetized YouTube channel services. It's a fast and easy way to start earning with a ready-made channel. Make sure to click the links in the description box below for more information and resources. Before you go, hit that subscribe button for more tips and guides tailored for newbies. Remember, the key is to learn by doing. So, let's embark on this automation adventure together.